Hello, welcome to another Sebastian's Toy Review.
Hello guys, today we're going to be doing the Styrofoam plane.
Alright, and how did you put that together?
So first, it was in pieces. We put the wings on, we put it all together.
Yep.
And then we added the stickers.
Yep.
And then it kind of broke, so we fixed it with duct tape.
Yep. I noticed you got
Yes.
2 new people here today. You would like to introduce your friends to your viewers?
This is Jet. Hello.
Hello, Jet.
Ellie. Hi.
Hello, Ellie. All right. So what we're going to do today, that's, who's that over there?
Addie Mae.
That's Addie Mae. All right. So what we're going to do today is you're going to fly the plane and you're going to bring it back. Jet's going to fly the plane. Ellie's going to fly the plane. Everybody's going to get a turn, right? And we'll see who can do it the farthest. So, all right. Let's get going. Okay. Sebastian has his own technique. Oh, the wing fell off. All right, well, let's grab the airplane. Let's grab the airplane.
Okay.
Put it back together and give it to Jet. There you go. Very good. Got it all back together? It's pretty easy. It's not bad. Take it back up there. All right, Jet, it is your turn to try to fly the plane. Your turn to fly the plane. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Wow! That was a good one. So Jet, that even had a good landing. How did you do that? Yeah? And it went up and did a good landing. That's a good job. That worked out well. All right, Ellie. Let's see what you got. So your brother did good. Oh, where is it? There it is. Oh. Mayday crash. At least none of the wings fell off, though. Almost. All right, let me see. I'm gonna give this a shot. I think I'm gonna give it a shot. How about that?
Yeah, oh no, you might throw it over the fence.
Like I did last time?
Yeah.
Well, hopefully not.
I can hold it.
All right, you ready? So I'm gonna hold it right here. And we're gonna throw it. Yeah, that's not bad. All right. Let's throw it back. A little wind picking up. Wow! Wow! That thing was moving. All right, Ellie, you got it. Give it a good one.
It went out of control.
Whoa! No! Whoa! Wow! That got some serious air right there. All right, Jet, your turn. It's Jet's turn. Let's see if you can get it all the way across over to the trampoline.
See if you can get in there.
Go! Oh! That's a perfect throw! Oh, that was awesome. All right, guys. Well, we got to get. So what do you think about the Styrofoam airplane? Do you like it? Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up or thumbs down on the Styrofoam? Thumbs up.
Ellie.
Oh, it's missing. Oh, boom goes the airplane. See how it all crashed right there? Boom, 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 boom.
This.
And Jet, what is that? That's the tail section. Completely forgot off that flight. That's why it crashed. Jet, thumbs up or thumbs down, Styrofoam airplane?
Thumbs up, right?
Thumbs up? Thumbs up. All right.
Subscribe to my channel and watch more videos.